We are deep in the heart of Honduras, standing right over the Rio Blanco. This bridge leads to one of the most iconic spots in the country, Pulhapanzak Falls. It's 43 meters of raw power, and today we aren't just here for the view, we're here to jump in. Welcome to the adventure.
This is Pulhapanzak Waterfall in Honduras. We're heading down to the waterfall. That's my sister right there in the back. Getting a good workout right here, guys. It's humid. We've been getting mosquito bites, so it's what we gotta do to get you guys to subscribe. So subscribe, like, comment, and let me know what you guys think. We're traveling here in Honduras. You can feel the mist right here, guys, hitting you as we go in. Look at that view. Oh, look at that, guys. So I hope you guys are seeing the view from here. I feel all the water, dude. Going up, we're going to another section of this tour. Good activities. That's a good workout right there. Ooh. All right, guys, so right now we're gonna do some activities. We're gonna go tubing. We're gonna go all the way up the river, and we're gonna go they're gonna take us all the way down in a tube. So I'm gonna record that, so stay tuned and keep watching. All right.
El flotador de él y el del que se agarra el tuyo, de las manos como quieras.
Just got my hand, bro.
Listo.
Listo.
Aquí hay que levantar los glúteos. Se levanta eso.
Lift your butt up, dude. This is a great place to come if you guys want to come and enjoy yourself. This is the happiest lifestyle. I leave all the links and all the descriptions there below. Hit the like button, subscribe and like, and let me know in the comments below what you guys like about this, alright?